Hello, Techstars. I'm Brian Villano, co-founder of ContractPower. We all know that generative AI is the perfect application for legal tech, estimated to be a $4 billion opportunity by 2030. But so many companies are taking a broad approach, focusing on redlining contracts, leaving the personalization to the individual, and forgetting about the details, the business details. Here's the challenge. Each industry has their own specific set of contracts that govern their business interaction. AI is brilliant, but it doesn't know you or what you want, and the details matter. That's where ContractPower steps in. At ContractPower, we have three separate products. The first is our summary module that you're looking at now. We're going to select two contracts that we're going to extract information very quickly about renewable energy credits. To get this information personalized in such a way that's going to show up on your screen is very difficult to do and takes time. That's what ContractPower adds value to. We design specific prompts relative to specific contracts, such as power purchase agreements. To extract energy price information out of this is very complicated to do and takes a lot of time. Okay, let's talk about our second product, the compliance item extractor. Compliance items are very tricky. Imagine having to look at something like this and extract all of this information out of that one paragraph and then uploading that into a tracker manually. It's extremely painful. But thankfully, with AI, there is a solution. For example, you're looking at something that an extraction of compliance items that is for an 18-page power purchase agreement. Here, we've extracted 81 clauses. 81 clauses out of an 18-page agreement is 4.5 clauses per page. For a 120-page agreement, which is the average in the industry, that's 540 clauses for one document. Do you think an individual is going to sit there and track that? I don't think so. And there's a lot of gaps and a lot of pain over this particular issue. And our second product aims to focus very intensely and very exclusively on compliance item extraction. Our third product is what we call our diligence module. The diligence module is essentially a ChatGPT style Q&A with your documents. You can see here we ask the question about how curtailment impacts the settlement process for our invoicing, and we're able to essentially crunch our document down to relevant sections of the contract, either sorting by relevance or by page number. So you can go through the document chronologically or by what's most relevant to your question. Another great feature is the profile selector, which spits out information specific to your profile in renewable energy. And the third very interesting feature is by demonstrating exactly where you got the AI synthesis from within the document, so you're able to validate the information. The whole point is to tie the user closer to the document that they would have been if they were just reading it and getting lost in the details and in the weeds. We want to thank you for your time today. ContractPower operates on a RAG pipeline, which is retrieval augmented generation. We're LLM agnostic, currently using GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 in some sections. We're also going to be implementing machine learning as well as potentially integrating Claude or Gemini into our product as well. So we know you have a lot of choices to work through, and just thank you very much for thinking about ContractPower and how our industry-specific approach is going to revolutionize contract management and business management as well.